Best deals.
1. Pan. Pure iron ore material heats quickly and evenly throughout the tawa body. Adds an authentic Indian flavor to your food. Suitable for all cooktops including induction. Seasoned using 100% vegetable oil to stimulate non-stick-like effect. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Glass jars. Visually striking embossed glass design, enhanced by a natural wooden lid and jute chain, adding both elegance and a touch of rustic character. Airtight seal, ensures freshness and preserves the flavor of stored items. Ideal for storing snacks, fried foods, masalas, spices, pickles, cookies, and more. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Peeler. Perfect for peeling vegetables like potato, carrot, cucumber, onion, and fruits like apple, pear, and mango. Made with premium stainless steel blades. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mop holder. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal, to install your Magic Sticker Series kitchen and bathroom accessories. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Peeler roller. Made from flexible silicone that's safe for food contact and durable for long-term use. Keeps your hands clean and free from strong garlic smell during cooking prep. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Rice drainer. Patented safe drain technology prevents hand burns and eliminates hot water splashing. Bare hand operation with no extra tools or holders needed. Rice stays secure even if the pot tips. Includes a 3L stainless steel pot with lid, ideal for daily rice cooking and draining, suitable for rice pots, patila, and most outer lid pressure cookers up to 5L. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Mesh. Basket is made of high-grade stainless steel that never rusts. Its mesh is so fine and strong that it does not break or become loose even after daily use. The rubber handles are non-slip. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Laundry basket. Made with ventilation holes that keep airflow circulating, this basket helps prevent odor and moisture buildup, keeping clothes, towels, or toys dry and fresh even when stored for longer periods. The laundry basket is designed to fit in tight corners, beside washing machines, or under counters. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Bucket. Whether as a portable wash basin for hand washing, a collapsible basin for kitchen use, or a portable kitchen sink for camping, each size caters to diverse tasks, ensuring you are equipped for everything from dishwashing to laundry, saving precious space. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Sink drain. Made of organic silica gel structure and is durable. Stylish appearance, perfect for your kitchen. Perfect for long-lasting protection against clogging in daily utilitarian use and stop large food particles from going down the drain while still allowing the free flow of water. No more clogged sink, sewer. All small particles are stopped in the filter. Fits most sink drains and garbage disposal side. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Casserole. Crafted with a double-wall stainless steel body inside and out, helping maintain food temperature for extended hours. Suitable as a roti casserole, it resists rust, is non-toxic, and is easy to clean for daily kitchen use. Designed as a hot box for kitchen. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Trash can. Made of PP plastic with high strength, which ensures the trash can has a longer service life and is more durable. The surface is smooth, also has a semi-automatic sliding lid design, corrosion resistant, and easy to clean. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Laundry basket. Laundry trolley with wheels, ensures easy movement, solving heavy lifting problem. Rolling wheels are sturdy to turn in all directions. Plastic coating inside inner surface of this laundry bag trolley is moisture resistant and perfect for dry or wet laundry. Just install the tubes in the grooves and you are done. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Fry pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron skillet is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like paneer tikka, chicken curry, pasta, stir-fried veggies and many more. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Hooks. Strong self-adhesive hooks hold up to 10 kg. Ideal for hanging towel, coat, bags, and keys without damage. Made from stainless steel and clear PVC, these adhesive wall hanger hooks are both stylish and strong, built to last without rusting or sagging. Use wall hanging hooks in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or office to hang towels, utensils, handbags, decorations, photo frames, and wall clocks. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Storage organizer. Comes with 3 baskets of different heights and requires no tools for assembly. Setup takes less than 5 minutes, making it ready to use instantly. Rack is perfectly sized for any countertop. Suitable for placement under the sink, on kitchen counters, or bathroom counters to meet your storage needs. Constructed from strong metal with a powder-coated finish. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Pan. Cookware has coating making cooking safer and our health better. Its new and improved coating ensures durability and poses no harm to food. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Sealing strip. Can be used up to 25 mm gap of door and easy to install door strip. Strip for door crafted from pure non-toxic premium silicone material. Prevent heat and cold escaping during winter and summer. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Egg poacher. Has a PFOA-free non-stick coating from Eggs Benedict to Eggs Sardo hard-boiled eggs without the shell, egg bits. The easy-to-use Deluxe Egg Poacher Pan lets you prepare up to 6 XL, perfectly poached eggs, so you can start your day the right way and enjoy a delicious, healthy breakfast without any hassle. Offers a secure, safe fit and lets you monitor your eggs. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Electric Roti Maker. Effortlessly create perfect rotis, chapatis, parathas with our intuitive design and powerful 1000 W heating element. Simply prepare the dough, press, and it's that simple. The high-quality non-stick coating ensures your rotis won't stick, making cleanup a breeze. Achieve uniform thickness and even cooking every time. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Hangers. Wall-mounted drying rack clothing features a foldable design that saves space and is an ideal accessory for your laundry organization and closet storage system. Can only be sucked on smooth surfaces. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Masala box. The spice rack is made from high-quality food-grade plastic with sleek and elegant wood finish look. For the easy access to all your spices, the spice rack comes with a revolving stand. The containers are transparent so that they can be picked easily. Shake and pour with the multiple hole selection as per the quantity required of the spice in the food. The spice rack with 12 containers is the ideal storage solution for all of your spices at one place. The containers in the rack are made of transparent body so that they can accessed and picked up easily. The rack comes with wood finish for the sleek and elegant look. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Portable blender. This hand blender for kitchen has the design of 1500 mAh rechargeable battery and removable base, compact design and perfect size for a personal blender without taking up much space, lightweight for on the go, work, traveling and gym use. This electric blender can best act as small juicer for fruits or mini juicer for fruits. Practical for birthdays or as a preteen gift, lunch bag options. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Lint roller. With extra sticky formula helps you easily collect fuzz, fluff, bobble balls from your lovely clothes and fabrics without damaging the material. Lint shaver is operated manually so does not use any batteries and keeps your carbon footprint down. The refillable lint roller features extra sticky and easily peeling rolls, maintaining your clothes with brilliant effectiveness to keep a fresh new look. It is designed to be lightweight and convenient to carry. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Sponge holder. With a 180-degree rotating design, the sink faucet drain rack can fit different faucets and sinks in your kitchen. You can easily change the direction and location of the rack to suit your needs. It keeps sponges, rags, soap and other items from staying wet. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Oil dispenser. Multipurpose use for storing oil such as olive oil, mustard oil, vinegar etc. for kitchen use. Comes with borosilicate glass body with capacity markings along with stainless steel metallic finish lid. Spout mouth for easy pouring. Also comes with a plastic cap to prevent accidental spillover. Made with lead-free borosilicate glass which makes it sturdy, long-lasting, and safe for daily use. Comes with a plastic closure which makes the bottle leak-proof and spill-proof. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Hanger. Designed to meet your diverse drying needs, this innovative solution ensures seamless drying for a wide range of garments, from delicate lingerie to bulky towels. With its secure grip clips, you can trust that your clothes will stay firmly in place, preventing any unwanted slips or falls. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Blender. Hand-powered whisk blender requires no electricity, making it perfect for quick mixing tasks and ideal for use anywhere in the kitchen. Efficiently handles multiple tasks including whisking, beating, blending, and making lassi or buttermilk with consistent results. Made from high-quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs, and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. Speedy chopper is made of high-quality material. The vegetable chopper container is made from a quality, food-grade, and BPA-free plastic. Designed for diverse chopping needs. Ultra-sharp chopping blade and beater for chopping veggies, nuts, and herbs, and making salsas, condiments, dressings, and more. 3 sharp stainless steel blades, blade protector, beater, spatula, a capacious container, and a detachable lid for seamless chopping. The chopper can be easily disassembled for thorough cleaning. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Lint remover. Efficiently removes fabric fluff, fuzz, bobbles, pills, burr from all types of garments, fabrics and restores to a fresh look. Fabric brush to quickly remove dust, fuzz, dandruff from shirts, pants, jacket and more. 3-leaf stainless steel blades eliminates the lint smoothly and prevents the fabric from getting damaged. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Gloves. With a strong grip that allows safe movement of hot pots, food racks. Protect your hands and avoid accidents with insulated waterproof 5-fingered mitt. The high-quality silicone materials make your cleaning nice and easy. Simply cleaning by any dish detergents. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Serving bowl. Pop your casserole in the oven, put it in the fridge to cool off, and then microwave before serving, without thinking about the shattering of glass, will not leach chemicals into your food even over repeated usage. Microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, oven safe. Made of borosilicate glass. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Electric kettle. Made from premium food-grade silicone that ensures your drinks are free from harmful substances. Compact and lightweight, our kettle easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for days out with the kids, work, or travel. Prepare your favorite hot beverages within 5 minutes, saving you precious time in your busy day. Just unfold, fill with water, plug into a socket, and switch it on. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. The compact design of our kettle means it takes up minimal space, leaving plenty of room for your children's essentials and your personal items. It's a must-have for all busy moms on the move. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Electric Kettle Dispenser. Busy moms will love the convenience of instant hot water for coffee, tea, or baby formula. With auto and manual dispense buttons and a quick heating system, electric hot water pot saves valuable time during those hectic mornings or late night feedings. The Keep Warm feature maintains the perfect temperature for hours, eliminating the need to reheat or wait for the kettle to boil. Plus, adjustable temperature control allows you to customize the water temperature for various beverages, making it perfect for busy moms who want it all. With a 5-liter capacity, you can prepare 30+ cups of hot water, ideal for large families or entertaining guests. The insulated stainless steel design ensures durability and keeps the water hot for extended periods, while also being easy to clean. Product link is given in the 34th link.